What is going on, guys? Today we are going to be doing a full welding assembly of our new mini trike frame. We're going to show you guys everything that we're going to do to get this thing buttoned up and ready to rock and roll. What Ben is working on right now is our new fully electric mini trike build that we're doing here on the channel. He's going through completely welding up the frame. Plans are to powder coat it, tomorrow? Tonight? So the plans are to powder coat the frame tomorrow, have it all ready to rock and roll, and then we're gonna hit you guys with a complete assembly video on the E-Trike. The E, oh, can't be throwing that name out. That's gonna be trademarked. Ben's finishing up the frame. We've actually been working on this for a couple weeks. We wanted to get everything into a video and get things rolling. Now the plan is tomorrow we're gonna be powder coating the frame, getting everything ready, and then we're gonna make a video assembling everything together in one video so you can guys see start to finish what it takes to put one of these things together. And man, we've taken a couple little test rides on it, and it is insane. We actually have a complete separate frame that we've been building, been working on. Let me show you guys that real quick right now. All right, so here it is, another mini trike frame that we've been building on the side. The goal is to have a fleet of these things, and we're actually thinking about selling these. So if you're interested in it, drop a comment and let us know what you think if you'd be interested in buying one. Oh, and by the way, for anybody who's wondering who the heck I am, I'm actually Ben's brother, and we have decided to team up and take the garage vlog to the next level. So if you guys are liking what you're seeing, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give us a like because it really helps us out, because there's gonna be a lot more cool videos like this to come.
That's right there. Okay, so I just finished up TIG welding and doing all the final welding on the main frame. We're gonna move on to welding the headlight bracket on the front fork, and then after that, we're gonna mock up some wheelie bars. We're gonna do a different setup for when you wanna stunt this thing and when you wanna drag race. So it's gonna be fully adjustable. It's gonna be in, what do you wanna say, serious mode and then party mode, depending on your mood. So the welder is a Lincoln TIG 200, running a gas lens with a Furic cup steel. So we're running DC. I think I got the welder set at like 150, 135. Pretty basic setup. So this here's a titanium ring, just keeps you from breaking the glass. It's just a protector. But yeah, this is like my all-time favorite gas lens. This will make you go from welding like garbage to just laying dimes. I might clear coat these because they look pretty cool. Do them clear, do everything else red, because this is some premium real estate for decals. This is a serious looking frame with all these tabs and mounts, and these here, what's gonna house all the wires for the speed controller. It's just a decorative cover. You know, they call me the Tin Man. Actually, they don't call me that at all. Oh yeah, I tried to get real crazy. You can see my handiwork in the scrap bin, but yeah, we were trying to go over all the different options that we had for trying to cover up those wires. We were looking at sheathing, plastic project boxes, and nothing was really that sweet other than just going all out custom. I actually had these fitting like really tight up to this top tube, and then I ended up spacing it out a little bit because this shape here was a little bit off. Just decorative covers that are going to cover up all the wiring, speed controller, That's what I said. That's what I told Steve. I go, looks like a mailbox. Yeah, that's literally what I go, oh, we got any mail? Yeah, these panels will bolt together, some button head screws, stainless. So speed controller will be right here. Wires go down into this chamber. Oh, did I tell you I got those speed switches in too? I was just saying I should bolt this disconnect on here for you for a little copy. Oh, I can do. You know, if I gotta de-stressify and the Bowflex is tied up, I can just a couple curls. Somebody used the frame rack as a coffee table. Break my cups. My good cups, man. You can't heat those up or else they start seeping oil, because they actually take bronze and oil and like smash them together to actually make that.
All right, guys, the frame is all welded up. It's ready to go. We're gonna be powder coating it tomorrow. Ben threw down these welds on it. You guys saw the other frame that we're in the process of making right now, but this thing's gonna be done in just a couple days. So if you wanna see more content like this and you wanna see what a fully electric Trike mini bike will do, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, click the like, because it really helps us out. And we'll see you guys in the next video real soon. Peace. You wanna say anything?
I feel like I didn't even have to be in this shot.
Do you know
what he said.
So.
This is a serious frame. I feel like people don't get that crazy with stuff like this.